Okay, so I need to go to the high roof level since my column is supporting the high roof or at the high roof, and it goes down to the ground floor where I will start my pier. Okay, so let me show that. So here's my column right here. It starts at the high roof and goes down to the, sorry, high roof and goes down to the ground or first floor, where it will be carried by my or supported by my pier and then a foundation. So high roof, that's where I want to be. So I'm in my high roof. Next thing I need to do is go to structure and then column. Okay, structure and then column. Now, most probably you will not have this loaded yet. Okay, most probably you don't have this loaded yet. So click on load family. Load family. Okay, and you want to go to not columns. That's an architectural column. You want to go to down here, structural columns. Select structural columns, double click. Okay, it's a steel column, hollow structural section. That's a steel column, so steel, double click, and it's an HSS. There you go, hollow structural section column. You get a preview of how it's going to look like. Click open. There are tons, well, not really tons, but a lot of this type of column of different sizes. So you want to look for the 101.6, which should be somewhere here. 101.6 by 6.4. There you go. So locate, and then you can always hit the control button and load more if you need to, okay, which I don't, so I can unselect that. But you can load more than one at a time by selecting the or pressing the control button. Once you have found this, click OK. You need to go to metric. Make sure you go to metric. Okay, so go up, libraries, US metric, structural columns, steel, HSS, hollow structural section column, open, go down, 162, what's that? HSS, there it is, by 6.4. Okay. Once you have located it, click on OK. It's loaded. Now, you can place a column one at a time, or you can say at grid, and then select the grids that you will place your columns into. Now, you don't want to select number 2 because there's a load-bearing wall right there. You do want to select, by holding down the control key, number 1, because you do want some columns right there. So except for number 2. Okay, so select all the columns and then click on finish. In my case, I will click cancel because I have already columns there, but click on finish. Okay, and then go to a 3D view. You'll see that you should have columns already placed. This one might be jutting out because the height might be up to the high roof. So all you need to do is select the columns right here. Select the columns here. Hold down the control key and change high roof to mid roof. Change high roof to mid roof. How do you select? Click, click. Yeah, select one. Hold down the control key and select. So one by one. Or okay, you can go to the first floor, or you can select this. Okay, window select, filter, and then uncheck walls. You see there 4 columns, right? Click OK, and you can select it using a window. Yes, let me just finish this recording. Okay, let me finish the recording.